Here you can see that the half is bigger than the third. So when we're dealing with unit fractions, so where the numerator is 1, then the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction, which can take a little while to get your head around. But if you're splitting one thing into 2 parts, those parts are going to be bigger than if you're splitting one thing into 6 parts. Then you're going to have lots of little small parts. So if you're comparing unit fractions, so where the numerator is 1, the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. If I was asked to order these unit fractions in ascending order, so from smallest to biggest, then I would be looking for the biggest denominator to make my smallest fraction. So I start with my smallest, and ascending order gets bigger, and you can see, although the denominator is getting smaller, the fraction is getting bigger. If I'm comparing fractions with the same denominator, then I need to look at the numerator, because 1/3 would be smaller than 2/3, or 2/3 would be smaller than 3/3. If I'm comparing quarters, then 1/4 would be smaller than 2/4, or 2/4 would be smaller than 3/4. So when I'm comparing fractions with the same denominator, the bigger the numerator, the bigger the fraction.